Hey happy creators, I hope you're doing great. Welcome to Artyshils Art and welcome to episode 5 of 30 days of art tutorials. So just in case you don't know, 30 days of art tutorials is a series on this channel where I share with you 30 acrylic painting tutorials which you and I paint together and have fun and relax in its de-stressing painting process. So just in case you're new to this channel or if you have not already done so, please click that subscribe button and do hit that bell icon so that you never ever miss such fun painting videos and tutorials. So for today's tutorial, we'll be painting this beautiful fluffy little cute bird sitting on the branch surrounded with these lovely beautiful flowers. And to get started, I first take a canvas which is 6 by 6 inches gallery wrapped canvas and it is ready to use. I don't have to prime it or do anything to use it. And for drawing the drawing on this canvas, I'll be using these colored pencils. So what exact colored pencils I'm using to draw the drawing and exact canvas that I'm using, you will be able to find all that in a blog post connected to this painting whose link I'll put in the description box below. So for the drawing, I first get started by drawing the upper head portion and then I draw the beak of the bird and then I come on to the stomach area. And after that, I draw the little wing on the left side of the bird and her little tail and then finish off rest of the stomach. After I was done drawing this basic shape of the bird, I go ahead and draw its little feet that will be holding the branch. Next, I draw that little A kind of a triangle kind of shape on her stomach. And then I draw the eye of the bird as you can see right here. Then I take another color which is my pink color and use this color to draw the flowers that are all around the bird. Why I use different colors of pencils I have explained in the previous videos of this series, so do check that out. Basically, I just want the drawings to look separate on the canvas. Like I want to see the bird drawing separately, the flower drawing separately and so on. And in detail, I have talked about this in the previous video. So over here, as you can see, I'm just using a pink pencil color to draw this flower and little shapes of the sky that are all around the beautiful bird. Then I even add a few buds and the flower on the left side of the bird as well. So now that we are done with this cute little drawing, I just can't wait to get started with the painting part because the painting is really simple, very easy, and I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun creating this painting. But before we get started with the painting part, I am super happy to share with you the brand new launch of Artyshils art brushes. As I have said in the earlier videos, for this one launch I have worked for years together to bring a perfect product for you that can bring that perfect finishing, preciseness and the smoothness that you need to create all these lovely acrylic paintings. So with that being said, let's get started with the painting part. So for the painting, the colors that I'm using are this ultramarine blue, light blue, there's a skin tone, there's a light pink and there is a dark pink and then a little bit of white as well. So the colors that I am using are very expensive acrylic paints, but if you are a beginner, you don't have to use all the exact colors or the expensive paints that I'm using. What paints I suggest for you as a beginner, I will put that in the little blog post linked to this painting, and what exact colors that I am using and the brands that I personally am using, that as well you can find in the blog post linked to this painting. So for painting, I first get started with the flower. So first I cover the entire petal of the flower with white and then on top of that I play around with the dark pink and light pink for a little bit of shading. I repeat the same with the other petals as well. I first cover the entire petal with white and then put in a little bit of pink shading towards it. I covered the rest of the flower that you can see right here in the same way. Next Next I take a little bit of yellow and apply it on the center of the flower, and then I take a little bit of dark purple mixed with white and create those delicate lines coming out from the center of the flower, on which I put the dots, which are the pollens that are there on those lines. Next I go ahead and create the buds as well that are surrounding this flower using a little bit of dark tones, because as you must have seen, the flowers when they bloom, they are a little bit lighter compared to when they are the buds, because they are closed, so the dark colors show up on the closed petals of the buds. So I would like to leave you over here with some beautiful music so that you can watch how I create the entire painting. But before I leave, I also wanted to share that in each and every painting of this channel, there are a lot of work, a lot of techniques, a lot of basics that go into everything. And by learning these basics, you will not only be able to paint these paintings beautifully, but you will be able to paint just any painting of your imagination. So if you would like to learn absolute basics and all the techniques that I've used in my paintings, then do check out the monthly art classes at Artyshils Art Academy. I will leave all the links to the monthly art classes in the description box below. And if you try this painting at home, and if you would like to share with me your version of this painting, then do share it with me on my Instagram, either using hashtag Artyshils or just tagging me in your work. And I would absolutely love to check out your version of this painting. Oh, and before I leave, I also have a little goodie bag for you in which there are various coloring pages and a real-time Buddha painting and much more. So do grab that goodie bag. The link to that goodie bag as well is in the description box below. So with that being said, I would finally take your leave over here, and I hope you enjoy rest of the painting, and I hope you enjoy recreating it as well. If you have any questions about this painting or Artyshils Art Academy classes or my brushes, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below or on my Instagram, and I would definitely get back to you with that. So while you enjoy rest of the painting, I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Till I see you next time. Bye and happy creating. Bye.